Hello guys, in this short tutorial I am going to set up a new project for you. That is because we are going to use JavaScript profoundly, and the previous version of our project setup was not appropriate for the convenient usage. Okay, so first and foremost select the folder or create one where you will store all the files related to the project. In my case it is a tutorial folder. Right click it and select open as brackets project. You will be presented with a blank window. I have in my open to.txt because I opened it previously, but you will be presented with something like this, with a blank window which has no files opened. Click File, select New, click File again, select Save As, and you will be prompted to save a file into a folder which you selected in the first step. So call the file main.html, it will be the structure of our website. Then click File New, File Save As, call the file main.css, this will be the style of our website. Then click File, New, Save As, and save it as main.js. That is the behavior of our website. Okay guys, so the next thing we are gonna do is retype everything I have here. So first select File, New, retype in the file everything I have here in my file, and click File, Save As, and then for the name of the file provide and then for the name of the file you should provide the SL. So let me select Save As. Now for the name of the file provide .slintrc. Okay guys, so that is the configuration for our project. Click Save. I will explain later on what we will be using it for, but for now just stick with me and repeat everything I am doing over here. So, and the last thing we should do is that go to main.js file and type in this code. Then press Ctrl S for saving it. You will get an error which saying error window is defined but never used. That's okay, don't be worried about it. So that is fine. Now let's type some JavaScript code to make sure that our window works fine. Just repeat it after me, and I will explain later on what this code means. So let's type alert, let's type b plus space plus a, let's save it, let's go to main.html, and let's provide the main.html with the following HTML. It's just a basic HTML. Save the page. Now click preview, and when you click preview you should see the following. You should be presented with hello1 alert. Click OK, and you should see hello text. And to verify that we attached CSS to our HTML successfully, let's just write some styles. Class hello custom. So let's make the hello world red. Save the file, go to the page, and now we see that our both JavaScript and styles were attached to the HTML successfully. So as a bonus part of this video, I'm going to show you. So very often when you write your HTML, you may notice a problem that you should indent everything by hand. But I will show you the way to do it automatically. So suppose I have this text over here lying to the left while it should be more to right. Okay. So what I would do? So go to Edit. Not edit, but go to File, then go to Extension Manager. Wait while it is loading. It may take some time. So and type here Indentator. So and type here Indentator. Then click Install. So it should tell you that installation was successful. Close it. Now you should see it under the Installed tab. So we are ready to go. Now if you want to correct such an error, select everything and press Ctrl+Alt+I, and your HTML gets indented automatically. So that's all, guys, for today. And as a second bonus part, I think that I may share with you one very cool thing. You can change themes of your brackets. So, for example, I can make my brackets dark, and now that is a brand new look, which will be following you in the next tutorial. So thank you guys for watching. I think the next series will be really exciting because we are all set up, we are ready to go. So thank you guys once more. Bye.